Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting topic, and today we are going to talk about a change in trend. If you are a trader, it's very important to know when the trend of the market is changing from uptrend to downtrend or from downtrend to uptrend. That's how you can be successful in the forex market, and that's what I'm going to teach you today, how to spot a change in the trend. And we are going to be using market structure. So I will encourage you to subscribe so that you can get more updates on similar videos like this, and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Hello, everyone. We are going to look at a very important topic today. I'm Dr. Aaron FX. We're going to look at a change in trend market. The trended market, if it's changing from uptrend to downtrend or from downtrend to uptrend, how will you know? And not just knowing when the trend is changing, how can you benefit from the market? And this technique is applicable in all market conditions. Either you are trading crypto, you are trading currency, you are trading gold, you are trading oil, in any kind of market, you can apply this principle and it works very well. I've been using this for years now, and it has been okay for me. And at the same time, I want to teach you guys how to make use of this. In our previous videos, I taught you guys how to identify an uptrend, a ranging market, a downtrend, and also how to label them. So you need to know this is lower low, lower high, higher high, higher low. So if you want a proper understanding of this, you have to go to my previous videos and watch them so that you can have a proper understanding of what we'll be doing today. Okay, so a trended market is when uh, people are selling the base currency to buy the quote currency, and you see that the market will be going down. There will be the price will be going down, and when we are having an uptrend, what happens? It means there's a demand for the base currency, and people are selling the quotes to get the demand currency. And how will you know if, let's say, we are trading gold USD? How will you know that the demand for gold has dropped and people are now demanding for USD? That is where this concept is very important. So the first thing you have to understand, like in our previous videos, you need to understand the concept of the market structure. I mean, when you have your higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is where you are going to get the get the clue if the trend is changing or not. So from the previous video, this is your higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if you look at this market carefully, especially gold, it has that characteristic. Anytime market take out this higher high, there's high probability that the market will come back to retest the higher high before going up. So if you notice, the same thing happened here. So when it happens this way, we call it a partial retracement, and most times it can come back to this. We call it full retracement, but let's look at the partial retracement today. So this area, we call it the demand area or the support area. So meaning it's always supporting the price to go up, supporting the price to go up. So now you have to identify your supply area. In this case, this is our supply area, this is our supply, I mean, sorry, this is our demand area, this is a demand area, but here is a supply region. Here also is a supply region because the market is coming down, but here this is demand, this is demand. So the secret you have to know about this is anytime the market takes out any supply level, most times it will come back to retest before going up. Okay, so that's what we call retracement, and this is an impulse. So you should know that this is buyer's territory because always support, there's a pool of orders, high liquidity here, the same thing here, and the same thing here. So meaning there's a lot of buying orders here. So anytime the price hit this area, it will go up, hit this area to go up, and all that. So this is a demand area. It can be here, that is previous higher high, or it can come down to the previous higher low. That's what we call full retracement. Okay, so this is how the market retrace. Then how will you know if this uptrend is changing to a downtrend? Like I stated earlier, you have to know that this is a buyer's zone, it's a demand area or a support level. So anytime the market comes back and break this support level, it means, I mean, this yeah, support level or the demand area, it means the market is changing direction. Okay, so anytime market breaks takes out this, it means there's a change in the direction there, in the trend of the market, because this was a strong zone for the buyers. The same thing here, the same thing. So if the sellers if they can come and break through this, it means the trend is changing already. So the same thing applies to the downtrend. So if you notice here, this this is the lower low, this okay, let's say lower high, this is lower low. I still have to continue. Lower high, lower low, lower high, and all that. Okay. So one thing you have to notice, this area, I'm coming, I have to remove all this. This is what we call the seller's territory. So you can see that there's a resistance here, or this is supply level. You can also call it a supply level. This is another supply level, meaning anytime the market retraces back to this area, there's going to be a force, a selling force, and you see the markets coming down. The same thing here. So how will you know if this market is changing direction? The same thing. If the market can come back and take out this seller's zone or the supply area, if you can break, it means the direction has changed. So let's look at charts and see if we can spot that. So this is a chart, and what we are having here from previous videos, we know that this is a downtrend. What we're having here is a downtrend. So this is a downtrend. So from here, we can, like I stated earlier, your lower high is seller's zone. This is their strong zone. So meaning anytime the market comes back and take out that region, it means the trend is changing already. So we have to identify our last. We have one here, and this should be the last lower high that gave us this lower low. So what we'll be looking for is the market to break, come back and break this. So immediately it happens, and it happens here because this the price level here is higher than this. So it's telling us that the trend has changed. And like I stated earlier, anytime a structure, a major structure is broken, the market will come back and retest it before going up. So this is another topic for another day. That is entry, how we can make use of this for to trade. Okay, so you can see that this was taken out, and market is going up already. So let's see if we can have a downtrend. So if you I mean an uptrend here, if you notice here, okay, let's just make use of the major ones here. So we're having an uptrend here. So like I stated that, so this is the last higher low, so you have to mark it. So what happens anytime market breaks comes back and break, instead of here supposed to be like a support level to propel the market going to go up, continue going up, but you can see that market was able to break through this. And like I stated earlier, anytime market takes out any structure, it comes back to retest. So this is what we are having here, and you can see that successfully this trend has changed from uptrend to a downtrend. So the same thing is happening here. So if you understand these concepts, the change of trend, now currently this is downtrend to uptrend, you should be in this market making money already. So guys, this is how we can spot change in trend, trended market from uptrend to a downtrend. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make use of this for your entry, and also where to put your stop loss and your take profit. If you enjoyed this video, please you have to subscribe and also give us a thumbs up so that you can encourage us to do more of this video. Thank you and have a lovely day.